Queue is a common term for the most retailer and customers. However, during high peak hour or COVID-19 pandemic, the situation became worse in physical store. Eventually, this happened. The reason is simple. The manpower shortage in the grocery store had led to the insufficient time for tasks like checkout, stock registration, and also the stock monitoring. Concurrently, poor inventory management caused a higher workload and also shortened the product shelf life, which will lead to the financial loss to the retailer. This can be observed through the current operation of the grocery store. Generally, the most grocery stores adopt a low-cost barcode-based system for stock registration and monitoring, but it is associated with multiple drawbacks. Its implementation requires a large workforce and is time-consuming. Moreover, the printed label have low durability and is prone to wear and tear. Additionally, the current operation highly relies on human operator who may not able to observe the product condition due to human behavior and inconsistency. Thus, GOINC is proposed to address this issue. Grocery-based optimized inventory and checkout system, also known as a GOINC, is a semi-automation solution to optimize operation in the grocery retail. Version-based product detection works as part of the product recognition to perform a real-time price calculation. The automatic backend update feature allows it to update the product database according to a retailer requirement. Next, the IoT-based inventory consists of the shelf monitoring system to manage the stock quality. RFID-based inventory system allows the worker to speed up the process of stock registration. Lastly, electronic shelf label allows the worker to perform dynamic pricing without replacing a previous price tag. The advantage of the GOINC can be classified into three reasons: reduce the waste production, reduce cost to operate the store, and reduce demand on the manpower. To have better understanding, let's proceed to the next section. To perform a dynamic price update, a price tag image is required to import into the web user interface and perform a pre-processing. After completing the process, the image will be displayed on the module. Environmental monitoring will continuously monitor environmental parameters such as temperature, humidity, and air quality. When it detects a certain extreme condition, an alert message will send to the mobile phone to notify the user. The process of stock registration will be simplified by implementing the RFID-based inventory. Place the tag on the stock and scan it through to the scanner. Done. After that, users are allowed to edit the database through the SQL server in case there are the adjustment for the product data. In the beginning, the price of the product will be fetched out from the database for price calculation. The desired product will be placed under the camera and the product recognition will be performed by using a trend recognition module. Price will be displayed inside the interface and user can select the payment method they desire. As a result, in our field test, 66% of users are satisfied with the GOINC prototype. As we mentioned previously, GOINC is a solution that mainly focuses on the grocery store and the small-scale retail which might lack of the manpower to operate store. And it also provides a semi-automation solution to reduce the workload on workers. Second, GOINC makes an environmental impact since it adds a role in the waste reduction by improving a stock shelf life. Another side, GOINC can reduce the paper usage in the store by using an electronic shelf label. So let's conclude for the discussion. The GOINC system provides an IoT-based inventory management and computer vision-based cashless checkout system as a semi-automation solution assisting in the grocery retail. For example, features such as environmental monitoring, RFID management, dynamic pricing, and the product recognition have reduced the workload for the worker. Last but not least, the optimized YOLO V5 product recognition model achieved MAP of 98.2%, still accuracy of 89.17%, and the inference time will be 0.142 seconds. That's all for me. Thank you.